In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a checklist in Monday.com. This is a very handy tool for organizing tasks and ensuring that every step of your project is tracked efficiently. Let's dive in. First, you'll need to log in to your Monday.com account. If you're on your dashboard, navigate to the board where you want to add a checklist. For those of you who are new, a board is essentially your workspace for organizing tasks, projects, and to-dos. Once there, create or select an item or task that you need to manage through subtasks or step tracking. This is useful for breaking down larger projects into more manageable parts, helping you focus on each step along the way. After selecting your task, the next thing you'll need to do is open the Update section. To do this, click on the item you want. You'll notice on the right side an Updates panel will appear. This space is crucial for communication and collaboration. It's where you can add important notes, updates, and yes, even your checklists. Think of it as the hub for all your item-specific discussions and tracking. Now, to add a checklist, within the update box on the panel, look for the checklist icon. It's the one that looks like a little checkbox or a square with a tick. Click on it to bring up the checklist feature. Here you can start typing out your checklist items. For instance, you might type research, then hit enter to add draft, followed by review, and finally submit. Each time you press enter, a new checkbox is created, nicely lining up your tasks for easy viewing and tracking. Tracking your progress is as simple as clicking on the checkboxes as each task gets completed. Visual aids like a progress bar will automatically update based on your inputs, giving you a quick glance at how much of your work is done and what's still on the horizon. This feature is incredibly motivating, providing a tangible sense of accomplishment as you see those checkboxes add up. Whether you're working solo or with a team, using checklists in Monday.com can drastically improve how you manage projects and keep everything organized. It's a small yet powerful tool to ensure nothing slips through the cracks while allowing you to focus on what's next. Feel free to pause and rewatch any sections if needed. Understanding these steps will have you setting up checklists like a pro in no time, enhancing your productivity. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.